Hey guys, y'all forgive the music. I'm at the Albany Exchange Club Fairgrounds and we have a car show today. I know I do air conditioning videos and stuff, but I figured I'd bring y'all along. This is how I'm celebrating my birthday. Come with me.
I've got a car so like paint chips out there, so I'm gonna redo the whole car. No, I mean, if it was mine, I probably would. I know exactly. Since I don't have one.
Look, but please do not touch. 2016. Nice ride. Sweet, 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 sweet.
I know they say you can't go home again.
Engine though.
Yeah. It was like this one, the whole roof of it. I look at took out the bill. It is a steady. We had a guy all the way back out there.
Go down 89.
Yeah, that's like over there. I was like, what's that? You know what? See that little bit where it's got extra metal?
Anyone doing the same painting anymore?
that helped us paint it, he passed away. Hopefully I'm going to trophy. It's a matching number score.
Oh man, this is clean. Somebody put a lot of effort into that.
He's auto machine. Mr. Garrett Hayes was on the phone too. And he was smart. Yes, he was. Hey, what was the guy's name that had the
Yeah, I wanted mine a little bit different.
Are you entered in the competition? All right, for people that don't know, can you explain what the ducks are about?
All right, there was a lady a few years ago that had cancer in the hospital,
Uh-huh.
and she was diagnosed on her way out just to try to make herself feel good and somebody else. She drove a Jeep, and she bought a duck from the gift center and pretty much ducked all the Jeeps that were in the parking lot of the hospital,
Yeah.
and it kind of spread like wildfire from there.
So if you like somebody's Jeep, you leave them a duck or something?
Yes, sir.
I mean, that's kind of what I've heard, but that is a common question I hear sometimes.
That was the whole thing about it. It spread, and then now if you like somebody's Jeep, you leave them a duck.
That's cool. That's cool.
I've had it 140 and it wasn't even close to being all the way. Because they run things 180 over the river. They said they would stop 2007. 2000. I know they have.
Am I wrong in thinking that's like a Steve McQueen Mustang?
I mean, it's 60. That's a 60.
got a rare one,
That's his was a 68.
Okay, it's about the same color though, wasn't it?
Yeah, same color, yeah, but it's 68.
Wow.
Before he was driving, it's like my white was sitting up there.
Okay. This one started out as a heavy Chevy.
Okay. I remember when insurance companies, if the horsepower was over a certain amount, you get tagged for it.
Yes.
So people were buying them, pulling them out on the lower level, lower power engines and putting in. Oh. Yeah, buckets.
That's right.
A lot of effort's gone into this.
It's awesome, ain't it?
It is a beautiful car.
We appreciate it. They need to put that one on TV.
You know something? I remember the old Challengers, and to see somebody do this to the new ones, it's just, it's nice. I like it.
Believe me, if we could have a...
I love this. This is fantastic.
They were established in 1979 and specialize in commercial maintenance and cleaning services. They have assisted in keeping the Albany City and Governmental Foundation sparkling clean. Well, let's once again thank RCL Environmental Cleanup for being a proud sponsor of us for here at the car show today. We now return you to our previous program.
Matter of fact, is this yours? wrapped around your finger.
White, black, orange, and there's another color like silver. And you can get the orange interior. So you take 1,500 divided by 4. All digital dash too.
Is on my mind, all my mind. I've seen 10,000 degrees in the shade. Lord of mercy knows how much I love you. There's a mosquito, every rattlesnake, every calibrate, everything. Every backwater swamp, every freshwater spring, everything. All we need is one more forever, tearing a heart out. Lord have mercy now, she's gone away. She gone away. Can't sleep, but it's alright. Our business is on my mind. This is on my mind. I hope sleep, but it's alright. Our business is on my mind.
Yes, sir.
Took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around.
That's neat, isn't it?
That is cool. I like that.
Reflection.
Well, guys, I do hope you enjoyed that. I enjoy doing stuff like that. If I had more time, I would play with my own little classic car. I have a 1967 Beetle. In between you and me, my very first car was a 1969 Chevelle. Had a 350 with a 2-barrel on it, but I loved it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.